Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The Governor of the Reserve Bank of Fiji, the High Commissioners of Australia, India and New Zealand, UNDP resident rep, members of the diplomatic corps, members of the private sector, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, a very good morning to all of you. The Climate and Disaster Risk Parametric Microinsurance product we launched today is indeed a game-changing, market-led solution to some of the toughest challenges faced by climate-vulnerable communities. It has taken a very long, complex and cooperative journey to get us here, and that journey began more than 5 years ago. Cyclone Winston struck Fiji in 2016 as the strongest storm on record in our hemisphere. It wiped out the equivalent of one-third of our GDP in 36 hours. We responded to the devastation as quickly as our capacity allowed. We conducted sweeping damage assessments across our islands, and we estimated what assistance was required at the level of individual households. Our priority was on socioeconomic security and on building back better, and we achieved both aims. However, the rapid deployment of assistance following Winston, while certainly decisive, was clearly suited to an age when superstorms were once-in-a-generation occurrence. They aren't, not anymore at least. The climate emergency is here, and it is intensifying faster than we feared. We needed a deeper toolbox of financial instruments that are fast deploying as well as sustainable over long term. And we saw climate and disaster risk insurance as one of the most sustainable shields of protection we can offer climate vulnerable communities. In the 5 years since Winston, 12 more cyclones have struck Fiji. The average losses due to cyclones and floodings are estimated more than $500 million annually, which is more than 5% of our GDP. The shocking findings of the most recent IPCC report merely confirmed the worst fears of Pacific Islanders, that climate change is the single most pervasive driver of loss in livelihoods, food security, health, and housing. Through it all, we have worked tirelessly to develop a climate and disaster insurance solution that can extend a sustainable lifeline of financial security to our people on the front line of future disasters. The product had to meet 3 high bars. It had to be affordable, fit for purpose, and attractive to insurance agencies. Our work with the UNDP, UNCDF, Pacific Insurance and Climate Adaptation Program, our PCAP, since 2019, has led to the development of Fiji's first ever climate and disaster risk parametric microinsurance product, or parametric product in short, that is affordable enough to serve low-income individuals who cannot qualify for conventional insurance products and attractive enough to bring the private sector on board. I wish to take this opportunity to thank the governments of New Zealand, Australia and India and Luxembourg for their support to make this parametric product a reality. Initiatives such as these need your continued support as they bring about practical solutions targeted towards transformative changes that address systemic challenges to climate change, disaster resilience, and national development. This parametric product offers 2 covers to help affected households respond to cyclone and flood risks, as highlighted earlier on. Both carry a maximum coverage of 1,000 Fijian dollars with annual premiums of 100 Fijian dollars. That means for less than $2 a week, a Fijian household that is vulnerable to the devastation of future storms can forge themselves a shield financial security. They will not wait for their government to pay them after a storm strikes. Assistance will be available to them very quickly. After a cyclone or flooding event, the $2 per week investment will yield the ability to purchase immediate food items. $2 a week will support rapid repair of homes. $2 per week will allow the enabling of the purchase of post-disaster hygiene items, cooking stoves, blankets, and clothes. $2 per week will give the ability to purchase seeds and basic farming materials for farming. $2 per week means ability to repair fishing boats and resume income generation. $2 per week, ladies and gentlemen, could be the difference between inescapable welfare and liberating workfare. When the next cyclone Winston arrives, we have to be ready. And this insurance product is one part of a much larger whole. We are accelerating adaptation and ensuring national decisions and investment are climate sensitized. We are climate proofing every aspect of our sustainable development. The draft climate change bill tabled in Parliament last week is synergistic to this approach. The bill creates legally enforceable requirements designed to increase responsibility and accountability amongst government and non-government stakeholders in relation to the management of current and future climate risks. Parametric microinsurance products help localize such risk-informed development amongst the most vulnerable segments of society. This product does more than offer security against climate and disaster risks. It furthers our long-standing effort to build a financially inclusive Fiji. It helps create a culture of long-term planning and financial sustainability. That is why the Fijian government has supported the pilot of this parametric product by providing grant support to PCAP through the Government of Luxembourg. We have also completely removed VAT on parametric climate and disaster risk microinsurance products to help improve affordability and market viability of such products. I understand that the Reserve Bank of Fiji, of course, and in fact I know, has played an important role to support the pilot of this parametric product by enabling a sandbox regulatory environment for insurers and aggregators involved. Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, the faster we deploy financial resources to rebuild, the faster we bring hope to families in the front line of a disaster. The success of parametric insurance products depends on experienced delivery agencies that have pre-existing channels to efficiently collect premiums and rapidly disburse payouts. It is critical that local insurance providers offer tailored climate and disaster risk solutions that are affordable and fit for purpose. In this respect, I must thank Fiji Care and Sun Insurance for being part of this initiative. Your close involvement in development of the parametric product and your willingness to be joint delivery partners is testament to your genuine commitment to our country. I encourage you to invest appropriate internal resources to eventually take up such innovative products as part of your flagship product portfolio. I wish to also acknowledge the aggregator agencies who have been proactive in helping develop this parametric product for the members. You now have an important responsibility to not only manage this parametric insurance, cover on your members' behalf, but also to help scale it further. Access to climate and disaster risk insurance for your members must become a fundamental KPI for your organizations. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, this launch is a milestone for our fast-maturing insurance and financial sectors as they evolve to keep pace with our warming world. Thanks to this product and other work we're going to adapt, we can protect the progress Fiji is making towards all of the SDGs. We will continue to put innovation front and center and march to the mantra of pilot first, scale later to minimize inherent investment risks. Before wrapping up, I wish to remind all of us why we are in this crisis at all. It is unchecked carbon emissions that have warmed the planet and put Fijian families at the coalface of climate change. Indeed, like many other island nations around the world, in the Pacific, in the Caribbean, and even in the Indian Ocean. As our Prime Minister, Frank Bainimarama, has made it clear in the strongest possible terms, Fiji is demanding decisive and ambitious national commitments to cut carbon emissions by 2030 and tangible and transformative action to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 or indeed sooner. We need to have zero excuses. With that, I now have the pleasure to officially launch Fiji's first ever climate and disaster risk parametric microinsurance product. Naka, and thank you very much.